Hey guys, this is a special edition video sponsored by our friends at Ohio Power Tool. Every year, we publish a holiday gift guide, a tool guide. This year, we're doing the 12 days of Toolmas. Starting on December 1st, we'll publish one video every day for 12 days. And we're gonna highlight a different tool in each video. These are the type of tools that we feel would make a great gift for that guy or gal that you're having trouble buying for. Maybe they're a DIYer, maybe they're a pro contractor in the trades. Either way, you'll be able to see all of these videos and tools in our 2019 Toolbox Buzz Holiday Gift Guide on the website. If you like a tool, you can find a purchase link in the video description below, as well as on the website gift guide. Have a safe and happy holiday season, everyone.